So you can see the sitting area here. And then I think I should be able to get into the line of sight out there. So if I stand here so that you can see that this is the area, I'll go down lower, I have to go higher, and I'll just start zooming in the line of sight where all the noise happens and where the structural damage is starting. And it travels all the way across the floor area of the balcony. It's like just cracking right in half. Okay. And then if I zoom back out, you'll see that it's my sitting area where I'm always complaining about the sound being projected at my head, my body. But what it also does is this. It starts cracking the structure. Get a little closer. That's the damage that they're doing in this building. So you have structural damage, line of sight. If you bring it up, it goes right into where I sit area. So they've got something corded or running through the lower area that keeps vibrating, and it's causing structural damage along this area right here. Now I'm going to show you another area that's been damaged because of that vibroacoustic. And it's right up through here. If you listen, you have headsets on, you'll hear the buzzing hum right in this area, and you'll see the structural damage that's transpiring. Put your headsets on, listen for the vibrating buzzing hum right in this area. So that's in the hall. This is out in front of this unit right here. And this unit right here. So if you hear the loudest sound that's coming over there, you can put your headsets on. You'll see the structural damage. And this unit right here. So if you hear the loudest sound that's coming over there, you can put your headsets on. You'll see the structural damage. In reference to all that damage that you're looking at over there, it's from Future Wars. It's an excerpt from the following: Future War, Non-Lethal Weapons in 21st Century Warfare by Colonel John B. Alexander, United States Army, retired. In addition to levitation of objects, it is known that material can be destabilized with acoustic energy. Other indications of that interaction of sound or on stone objects includes complaints that have been lodged by the United States Parks and Recreation Service about damage to the bridges of Red Rock at ARCS National Monument in Utah. The damage has been caused by United States Air Force fighters that frequently overfly the area or combat maneuvers. Dean Barker, an old crow from the World War II era, has continued to explore military applications of acoustic technology. He stated that in experiments he conducted for the Army 20 years ago, he was able to move concrete walls a slight distance. Barker also reported that they had successfully destabilized critical metal elements. He claimed to have an acoustic device that could be placed next to a railroad track and that would cause them to weaken. The structural fatigue was not visible to the naked eye, but the track would disintegrate when the train ran over it. So this is what they're doing. That's what you see they do to a building. This is what these residents are pointing at my body and my biology. If it can crack structure, cement, balconies, and you'll see the other one out in the hall area. It just peels it right off. These people in this residential location are doing that, and they're pointing at a human being.